You're going to start by writing your name and room number on the back of your blue paper. You want your paper to be horizontal, and we are going to be painting nice, neat, horizontal brush strokes. And we're going to be using a combination of different tints and shades and mixtures of greens and blues. So you're just going to want to start with one color, working one color at a time, painting all over, going back and forth, never up and down, no vertical brush strokes, always stay horizontal. It makes a difference. It really will make it look like water. So you're going to start and by just picking a color that's closest to you, because that paint palette's going to be in the middle of the table. So choose a color that you'd like to start with that's closer to you, and know what color you start with. That way you can just kind of work your way through the colors. Now, there's very similar colors on the opposite side. It's about, I want to say about like 7 different colors. So notice that I'm going with one color and painting all over using nice, short, horizontal brush strokes. So I'm going to use just that one same color, being mindful of where I'm dipping my brush so I don't accidentally dip into the wrong spot and make it become a different color. So once you are ready to switch colors, you're going to wipe your brush off on the rag in the middle of the palette. Please leave the rag in there. Please do not take it out. You can always wipe a little bit on your placemat too. So now you can see I'm going in with a second color. So I'm just working right around my paint palette. And as you are working, if colors become out of reach, as long as everybody's kind of working in that same direction, you should be able to just turn that paint palette a little bit. So you can see I'm getting all the way off on the edges of the paper as well. So I continue filling this in until pretty much almost all the paper space is filled. It's hard to fill every last bit of paper, which is why we use this colored paper that kind of blends in. So notice I'm going to continue filling in, switching my paint colors, and cleaning my brush really well. Eventually you get some areas where the paint kind of mixes in, and that's okay. Just try to stay neat and make sure you stick with those short horizontal brush strokes.